All right, Julie. What are you up to?
So, this year we're gonna have our first garden together. So we're clearing out all of this. This property I think goes back at least an acre.
Yeah, so we have an acre back there, and then another acre going that way.
So we're gonna clear as much as we can out, and we're gonna start a really nice garden full of vegetables, fruits, and all sorts of different flowers. And the first step is to clean out all this brush and get a nice clean slate, and then after that we're gonna really sit down and think and map out our whole.
So you're gonna
garden
have a
plan.
good chunk of land like this. That's all gonna be the garden. That's
yeah.
cool.
So this is year one, spring, first season for our garden.
And we're burning a lot of this, and then some we're gonna save for like later.
Yeah, we're gonna try to
fires.
burn a lot of this brush.
But this is the current garden, just so you have an idea what it looks like. This worked for us. We got cucumbers out of it. My mom was in charge of all this.
Yeah, his mom was in charge of the garden, and now I'm kind of taking over.
Yeah.
We
had this little grave-looking site. Are you gonna keep those posts, the gray posts?
No, definitely not. We're gonna make it look really cute, really nice. I've been watching a lot of YouTube and researching, and we're gonna make garden beds out of chopped wood.
Cool.
So we're gonna try to really reuse our resources from clearing out this area. It's gonna look great.
We're walking the property and gathering logs of wood to make beds for the
garden
plants and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's our first garden.
So we're gonna basically save money by making our own stakes to fence off the garden, and we might have to buy some metal stakes and then make like a little gate and things like that.
The reason why Steve is out of breath is because he's been chopping trees. He's been because he's been chopping
really
some big trees.
Yeah. Okay.
This one's big.
So where's the other one that you got out?
So there was one in these holes, and that hole back there, I got him out.
Oh, these right here?
This one's the biggest yet, so...
It's basically some pretty decent sized roots here. So we should have all that cleared by today.
This I would like to get cleared by today. We'll see.
Julie, how's the area looking?
I think I made a dent in it today.
Yeah.
I cleared out a lot. I weeded a lot. I have all these weeds out.
So you're getting rid of that fence part there.
Yeah, I'm doing this now. I have to go in and get some scissors.
So this is open space. Got that to get rid of, and then some other stuff over there. Might even fall on my head.
No, it'll fall the opposite direction. You got it, Steve.
You might want to stand further back.
It's not that tall.
I'm gonna move it. Stand further back.
Okay. I'll move over here. But take a look. I just cleared out all that stuff over there.
Watch out, Joe. Stand further back.
It's not gonna fall on me. It's not gonna fall on me, Steve. If anything, it'll fall on you. But yeah, we cleaned out a bunch. There's a bunch of rocks here too. I have to move out. A lot of work. Oh, it's going. That's a lot of good firewood right there, or for our posts, for our fence posts. Yeah. Maybe I should have done a time lapse. He asked me to do a time lapse, and I said, no, it shouldn't take that long.
Time lapse
to be able to do a time lapse, but you got it, Steve. You got it. Oh.
All right, guys, so it's getting dark out here. It's kind of cool. We found this foundation here. There's all these stones. We found a bunch of foundation pieces like that, an old foundation. So we're in the town of Long Grove, and this town is from the 1840s, and German settlers used to live here with a lot of farms and farmland. So Julie, what are you uncovering right now?
Look at this. If we uncover this, this could be a really pretty patio to put like potted plants on.
Yeah.
Or like a nice table to sit in the garden.
Right there. And then
yeah.
Look, what is that? Like a foundation for a house or a barn?
It looks like the border of whatever this is.
Yeah. So,
yeah. I don't know how far it goes.
I'm gonna walk back so you guys can see how much work we've done. What have you done, Julie? You want to talk about it?
Okay. So this is our first weekend doing the garden. So we cleaned out this old garden bed. We put all the stuff over there.
This is like, we're gonna use this to decorate the sides.
This was all covered in leaves, so I had to carry all the leaves over there to that leaf
You carried
pile.
this.
And I got rid of all these sticks. This log is here, all these sticks are here.
So is that where your garden's gonna start, that one green pole?
Yeah, so I kind of staked out where my garden might start. So I put green stakes.
How far will it go? Can you walk it?
Okay, so here. To here.
Yeah.
I might move this back a little. Maybe it should go back a little, I don't know.
Yeah, I would move it back a little more, yeah. Because you have all that space.
Maybe like right here.
Yeah. So for the fence posts, we're gonna use like, what are we gonna use? Like trees like this? We're gonna look for trees like about
Logs and stuff.
this size, logs.
We're gonna make the post logs and then get the wire netting and then chicken cage netting for the bottom. And then but with cage, so like I don't know how much concrete that is, but maybe we could put potted plants in a patio over there.
Yeah.
And then where we actually have dirt is where I'm gonna build the raised garden beds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna be like, I don't know. And then we're gonna have like a gate, a nice rustic gate here. This will be the entrance.
Yeah.
And then you have these great stones. So in front of the fence, I'm gonna put these around flower beds to like be in the front of the fence entrance.
Yeah.
And fill it with beautiful flowers, maybe some flower bushes and stuff. But that's the vision.
All right, yeah, it's looking good. My favorite piece so far is this like little tree. We're giving it more light. I've had this here for a long time. And this one is like only a little taller than me. And these, we planted at about the same time. So those are like taller, as tall as the house. And this little guy, I don't know if he's got like a concrete slab around him or something, but he's kind of dwarf size. But just gonna have a patio and then basically a garden all around. We're gonna do a bunch of different episodes of that. All right, anything else you want to say, Julie?
I don't know. Just happy gardening.
All right.
Hope you all are enjoying the early spring that we're going to be getting.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
All right.
All right, so that kind of changes our plan for the garden. So I'm gonna have to have my beds like right here, one bed right here, and more beds over there, because the concrete foundation, it starts like, if you can see right there, I think it's like right in here, and then it comes over here. So I cannot put beds here. I'll have to do container gardening there. So, but then I can have beds. If you can see where I put that green post right here, I can have beds along there, beds like right here, but then as from here and back is all concrete. So maybe like a picnic table, a garden table or something. Yeah, I want to uncover it and see what it looks like. It's a little uneven, so yeah, we'll have to see. But it's all slabs underneath that look like this. So yeah, we'll have to figure it out. All slabs. This is basically what's underneath there. So I'm trying to uncover it. It's gonna take a while. It might be kind of time consuming. So, but at least it's only to right here. We're only going back as far as there. It shouldn't take that long. We'll figure it out. Right, Steve?
What?
It shouldn't take, you think this will be too time consuming? It won't be that bad, right?
I mean,
What are your thoughts?
a couple weeks.
Yeah. All right. Well, I got to go inside and call people for work. That's the end of week 1, gardening, homestead, DIY, 2024. Lots of work, but I think it'll be worth it. Bye.
Make sure to put the tools
Put the
towards the
tools
door.
back where they go.